Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is how to add and subtract numbers or integers. So I will explain you about that topic today. And one thing I want to tell you that all of you have memorized a rule that positive, positive, positive and negative, negative, positive, like positive. All of you have memorized that positive, positive, positive and negative, negative, positive and positive, negative is equal to negative. But this is the rule of multiplication and division. Do not use this rule in addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction, I will tell you a rule, like if you are going to add, the rule is same sign, same signs mean add, and opposite signs mean subtract. This is a rule that you have to memorize for addition and subtraction. These are the rules for multiplication and division. So but at the end, what you have to do, at the end you have to use the sign of bigger term, like at the end use sign of bigger term. In addition and subtraction you have to use these rules, and at the end you have to use the sign of bigger term. So let's solve some questions. Question number 1, -2 plus 9. So opposite sign, so opposite sign means subtraction. Subtraction means 9 minus 2 is 7, and sign will be of bigger value. Bigger value is 9, and 9 sign of 9 is positive. So we will not put here positive sign because this means that positive 7. So let's do second part question. 3 minus 11. Opposite sign, these two integers have opposite sign. So what you will do, opposite sign means subtraction. 11 minus 3, 8. And sign will be of bigger value. Bigger value is 11. 11 sign is negative. So you will put here negative sign. So let's do 2 more examples. -6 minus 4. Same sign, same sign. What is the rule of same sign? You have to add. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Sign will be of bigger value. Bigger value is 6, and 6 sign is negative. So you will put here negative 10. And one last example, -4 plus 12. Opposite signs. So what is the rule of opposite sign in addition and subtraction? Subtraction. So 12 minus 4, 8. You have to use the sign of bigger value. Bigger value is 12. 12 sign is positive, so you can put here plus, or you can leave it as it is, because it's if a value does not have any sign, it means that is a positive value. So this is the way how you will add and subtract two integers. Please make sure that do not mix these rules with the rules of division and multiplication. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.